Either you resign or get out from your authority if you cannot get out of government service, or I resign, ako ang mag-give up. But I'll try to make a second, not really a desperate move, but you have to kneel down before the public and you have to promise the people that you are serving that you have to improve on your service. One of the ways of corruption is not just really, yung pabalik-balikin mo lang. There's a certain insane thing that enters even the lowest government worker. Mapulis ka, mayor ka, you become the governor, and you think that you are somebody who can rule the universe with the flip of your finger just because you are there. Yan ang mahirap sa mga taga-gobyerno.